What if I told you that you could turn casual website visitors into loyal, paying customers? It's not some marketing pipe dream, it's the power of a high-converting email list. Building an email list lets you stay top of mind with your audience. You're not just another post lost in the social media void, you're delivering value straight to their inbox, building trust, and turning subscribers into raving fans. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to build a high-converting email list in 2025. We'll cover everything from crafting irresistible lead magnets to writing emails that get opened, clicked, and convert like crazy. Let's get started. What if you could turn email subscribers into loyal customers without spending a fortune? In this video, I'll show you how to build a high-converting email list in 2025. Let's dive in. Let's be real, nobody wants just another email list. We all get bombarded with emails every day, and most of them end up in the trash. We want an email list that converts, one that actually makes a difference to our business, an email list that turns subscribers into customers, driving real results and revenue. But what does that actually mean? How do we define a high-converting email list? A high-converting email list is more than just a collection of email addresses. It's not just about the numbers. It's a community of engaged leads who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. These are people who want to hear from you. These are people who have raised their hands and said, "Yes, tell me more about your niche industry." They are eager to learn and engage. Now, you're not going to convert every single subscriber into a customer. And that's okay. It's a process. Not everyone on your list will be ready to buy right away. Timing is crucial and patience is key, but by consistently providing value, building relationships, and establishing yourself as an authority, you lay the groundwork for future conversions. You'll dramatically increase your chances of converting those subscribers into paying customers when they're ready. It's about playing the long game. Think of it like dating. Bear with me here. You wouldn't propose on the first date, right? You need to take your time, be patient, stay confident, and direct with this approach. You need to build rapport, establish trust, and show the other person why they should choose you. It's about creating a connection. Email marketing is the same way. It's about nurturing relationships over time. You need to nurture those leads, show them what you're about, and demonstrate the value you bring to the table. Consistency is key. That's how you build a high-converting email list that consistently drives sales. It's a strategy that pays off. In 2025, with all the noise and competition online, a well-optimized email list is more important than ever. It's your secret weapon. It's a direct line to your audience, a way to cut through the clutter and deliver your message without relying on algorithms or hoping your content gets seen. It's personal and effective. So, are you ready to build an email list that actually converts? It's time to take action. Let's dive into the how-to. Together, we'll explore the strategies and tactics that will set you up for success. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Here's your step-by-step guide to building an email list that turns subscribers into customers, and not just any customers, but loyal, engaged ones. Step 1. Craft an irresistible lead magnet. Think of your lead magnet as a bribe to get people excited about joining your email list. It's a valuable piece of content that solves a specific problem your target audience is facing. This could be a free ebook, checklist, webinar, template, discount code. Get creative. The more unique and valuable, the better. Step 2. Choose your email marketing platform. You'll need a platform to manage your growing list, send emails, and track your results. There are tons of great options out there like MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and more. Choose the one that best fits your budget and needs. Remember, the right platform can make a huge difference in your email marketing success. Step 3. Design a high-converting opt-in form. Your opt-in form is what captures those valuable email addresses. Make it prominent on your website, use clear and concise language, and highlight the benefits of subscribing. A well-designed form can significantly boost your sign-up rates. Step 4. Write emails that get opened and clicked. Your email content is crucial. No one wants to read boring, salesy emails. Write engaging subject lines that pique curiosity, provide valuable information in your emails, and include clear calls to action. The goal is to keep your audience looking forward to your emails. Step 5. Automate your email marketing. Set up automated email sequences to nurture your leads over time. This could include a welcome sequence, content upgrades, product recommendations, and more. Automation ensures consistent engagement without constant manual effort. Automation saves you time and ensures you're consistently engaging with your subscribers. Step 6. Analyze, optimize, and repeat. Keep a close eye on your email marketing metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to continuously improve your subject lines, email content, and overall strategy. The more you refine, the better your results will be. Pro tip: personalization is key. Segment your email list based on interests, demographics, or behavior. and send targeted emails that resonate with each group. Personalization can significantly boost engagement and conversion rates. You don't have to take my word for it. Let's look at some real-life examples of businesses crushing it with email marketing. Example 1. The e-commerce store that boosted sales by 25%. Imagine an online clothing store struggling to stand out in a crowded market. They were facing stiff competition and needed a way to differentiate themselves. They decided to implement targeted email campaigns based on customer browsing history and past purchases. By personalizing their emails, they were able to engage customers more effectively. The result? A 25% increase in sales. This strategy not only boosted their revenue, but also improved customer loyalty. Example 2. The coach who filled her program with a webinar funnel. A business coach wanted to fill her high-ticket coaching program. She needed a way to reach potential clients and demonstrate her expertise. She created a free webinar packed with valuable content and promoted it exclusively to her email list. This approach allowed her to build trust and provide value up front. The webinar generated a ton of leads, and she successfully converted a significant portion of those leads into paying clients. Her email list became a goldmine of opportunities. Example 3. The blogger who turned readers into customers. A food blogger wanted to monetize her blog and turn her loyal readers into customers. She had a dedicated following but needed a way to capitalize on it. She created a simple email sequence promoting her new ebook filled with exclusive recipes. By offering something of value, she was able to entice her readers to make a purchase. The result? A steady stream of passive income from ebook sales. Her email marketing efforts paid off, providing her with a reliable source of revenue. These are just a few examples of how powerful email marketing can be when done right. The potential is limitless when you tailor your approach to your audience. No matter your industry or niche, there's a way to leverage email marketing to drive results for your business. Start exploring the possibilities today and watch your business grow. Chapter 4. Pro Tips to Supercharge Your Email List Growth. Ready to take your email list growth to the next level? Here are some pro tips to implement. Tip 1. Leverage pop-ups and exit intent forms. Don't be afraid to use pop-up forms on your website to capture email addresses. Just make sure they're well designed, not too intrusive, and offer something valuable in exchange for the visitor's email address. Tip 2. A/B test your lead magnets. Not all lead magnets are created equal. Test different lead magnets to see what resonates best with your audience. You might be surprised at what performs best. Tip 3. Segment, segment, segment. I can't stress this enough. Segment your email list based on interests, demographics, or behavior. This allows you to send highly targeted emails that are more likely to be opened, clicked, and convert. Tip 4. Use social proof. Incorporate testimonials, case studies, and social proof into your emails to build credibility and trust with your subscribers. Tip 5. Don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of email marketing is that it's easy to test and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment with different subject lines, email content, and calls to action to see what works best for your audience. Chapter 5. Your call to action. Start building your email empire. There you have it. You now have the knowledge and tools to build a high-converting email list that drives leads, boosts sales, and takes your business to the next level. Remember, email marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to build a responsive and engaged email list. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Now, I want to hear from you. What type of lead magnet are you going to create? What email marketing platform are you going to use? Let me know in the comments below, and before you go, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Chapter 6. Bonus resources and next steps. Want to dive deeper into email marketing? I've got you covered. I've included a ton of bonus resources in the description below, including links to my favorite email marketing tools, articles, and more. And hey, if you found this video helpful, share it with your entrepreneurial friends who could benefit from building a powerful email list. Let's spread the email marketing love. Chapter 7. Until next time, keep crushing it. Thanks for joining me on this email marketing journey. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right strategies and a commitment to providing value to your audience, you can achieve amazing things. Now go out there, build that email list, and crush your business goals. I'll see you in the next video. Outrow, Master Email Marketing in 2025. So there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to build an email list that converts like crazy. Remember, email marketing is all about delivering value, building relationships, and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Don't get caught up in the latest marketing fads. Email marketing is here to stay, and it's one of the most effective ways to turn subscribers into loyal, paying customers. If you're serious about growing your business in 2025 and beyond, make building a high-converting email list your top priority. You won't regret it.